Yes, hello, Ray. This is Ray. I can see it's very outdated looking and the content doesn't really have a very nice flow to it. However, this is your new website, and basically the goal was to take all the information, and you have very, very good content on this website. Uh, However, the layout and the design is what's lacking. So the goal was to take all the good content you have and put it in something a little more eye-catching, more modern, and also to position you as an expert in your field. So this is your new website. This is what I've come up with as far as a first review. First thing you'll notice, we have very calming colors. We have blue, we have green, all throughout the site. Very smooth, very calming colors because your audience is primarily of stressed out parents looking for solutions to dealing with their teenagers. So these colors are very calming. The home page has a slider. You can either click these arrows to go through the different posts, or it automatically rotates every several seconds. And you can very easily, through the back panel that I'll set up for you in the finishing process, you can very easily update this. You have two of your most recent posts, all right, because you want to blog on this website. You wanted a section where you can post tips and advice, so I've set that up for you. And the home page, right underneath the slider here, right underneath the slider, we have excerpts taken from two of your most recent posts. You have a little bit of an excerpt with a graphic representing the post along with the post title. This is set to rotate automatically and display your most recent posts in order of which one is most recent here, so you don't have to worry about updating the home page all the time. So this is self-updating. Also, I have your bio that I'm thinking it would be a great spot to put right here to the right. Put a name and a face behind the website. And then here we have a little mention, very brief mention of your book, okay? And I plan on creating an e-cover for you in the second phase. And then right here we have, and I love these graphics because it really makes the website look newsworthy, look informational. Very, it doesn't look like a typical, direct sales website. This has a very newsworthy look, so it draws the attention, and it has your most recent Ask Ray column advice tips. And what I plan on doing is when you hover your mouse over either one of these issues, when you click on it, it'll take you to a page with that particular issue. So this is my idea of what the home page should look like. Now again, these links are not linked up. This is just a review draft. But I plan on having a separate page for the ebook when someone clicks more info, separate page for your bio, contact Ray, which will have a brief bio, and then separate links for each one of these Ask Ray advice columns that we're going to feature on the website. Now these are already linked up, so let's go ahead and go through any one of these random posts. We'll take a post, for example, how to reduce adolescent angst. So we'll click on this and we'll be taken to the post. Now this is the post right here. We start off with the title. Now you'll see I have on top of every page and post to your blog a place where we can put a banner, and this is a good place to put, for example, your contact information or to have a brief mention of your services or ebook. So this is my idea of where we would have some good, a good place to advertise. And then you have the post content. To the right you have different excerpts taken from your posts, and I've also gone and added a print or PDF button. So if anybody wants to print any of the pages of your website, it's very easy to do so. It's a no-brainer. This will either do a PDF so they can view it on their computer or handheld, or they can print it on their printer. So we also have this sidebar here. Every page again starts with your bio. We can also do a brief mention of your ebook, and then also give them a chance to browse the other pages of your website with other advice and articles. So these are the pages of your website. We can go ahead and select any of these at random, and you can see that all very uniform look. We have your title on top of your website, your slogan, your bio, contact Ray. brief mention of your ebook, and then links to other pages of your website. Now, if you look here to the left, you'll see that I've included a very nice little social bar. So if you want to link up your Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, you can give me that information, and I'll link those up here. And every page of the website you have this, so it's very easy to add your social networks on this website. And also, if you look at the bottom, I have a bottom area here with 3 spots that we can put stuff in, and I kind of wanted to brainstorm with you on what you'd like to put there. For example, here you can put possible offer for free chapters out of your book. Here we can put the scrolling testimonials and remarks from your colleagues. And then here we have another spot where we can showcase something. So I know that I have other content from you, such as the testimonials, and I was thinking this would be a good spot to kind of showcase other stuff as well. But here the most important part is the home page. When someone lands on this home page, their first impression is very calming, very professional. It's very informational. You have your most recent posts here that will rotate, links to your Ask Ray advice columns, your information. Now I've set up the services page. If we go to the services page, you'll see I have your services listed here. We have a contact page if someone wants to contact you, and we have an Ask Ray advice column that I'm going to set up to incorporate your previous columns. These are going to go on this page. Okay, so also you'll notice that here we have a little contact Ray. It's a nice little slide out. If somebody wants to send you a quick email, very easy to do so. And also it's a nice way to attract attention to another means of somebody to open up the forms of communication and contact you. So we have those very important elements worked into the website. Contact page, we have another contact Ray link, we have your social networks, and we have this. That's 4 different excuses we're giving your website visitors to give you, an opening in communication, whether by sending an email asking about your ebook or asking you a question about a problem that they have. And that concludes this video. I'm looking forward to your feedback. Thank you.